Okay, the window is framed in, or molding is on from the outside. We'll do a video about that. Amy, in the meantime, did a little tear out because she really wanted to know if the siding was still here, and it is. Because this was an enclosed porch. Well, I'm sorry. This was an open porch. So it makes sense that the siding is here. Also, there's this window up above the door, which they covered over, so we'll expose that again. And then we have, so this should be siding too. And then it makes sense that this is also siding. So two of our sides are going to be siding, which will clean up, prime, and paint, and that's what they'll be. We'll probably insulate from the other side though, because this room's not going to be, we're going to insulate it, but it's still not going to be a total, really heated room. So that'll give us, I can rip into from the other side with holes and drop the insulation in, because I'm sure even though someone did a finish, they finished it off in there, they didn't do it with the insulation. And we'll probably end up tearing all the stuff out that they did, or most of it. Okay, so that's where we're at with this closet entrance area, which, by the way, the door doesn't really open as far as I can tell. Okay, so time to, we have to call it quits for this trip. So we got lots more tear out to do, and then we will decide what to do. And a lot of these boards are just kind of like fake 2x4s, which we don't need any here, but over there we have to rebuild that wall, and I'm sure that wall too. And who knows, we might have a ceiling here. We'll take down the ceiling for sure, and who knows what we'll have up there. Okay, so enough of this room for now. Let's go see how we did on the outside.